What's going on, guys? Cameron here from KC Turbos. Today we're going over how to install the Blessed Performance wire loom cover. You guys probably saw we just did the install video on the front wind deflector tray. So now we're going to replace this factory wire loom cover. If you own a 6.0, you probably have one that looks just like this and is being held together by zip ties. So let's fix it. And so you can start off by removing your factory wire loom cover. Just, I think you're supposed to have clips here, but normally they're busted. So cut the zip ties that your truck most likely has installed, holding it in place. And then throw those away. So once you got those clips disconnected, this factory tape's holding your wire loom on. Now very gently, not to slice your factory wire loom, then you have a real problem. Just cut some of that tape. This one in the center appears to be held down with this little plastic Christmas tree. Can you see it right there? Taped to the loom. So we can pop that one off. And then this side is also held down by tape, but it's so dry here that I can just peel it off. So now that you got those clips and those couple pieces of tape disconnected, roll your wiring harness up and you can see these 1, 2, 3, 4 little white Christmas tree clips. That's what's holding your factory loom inside of this cover. So we're gonna pop those off, throw this old piece of plastic away, and then I'll show you how to install the new one. That one's already gone. The middle one also disconnected. So I just have that last one in the corner. There we go. Perfect. So now that you got your old loom cover taken off, let me show you how to install your new sleek, nice metal powder coated one. Once you have this cover off, we're going to prep our new one. These zip ties are going to be used to hold down the wiring harness, similar to how those white clips were used from the factory. Just fish these through first, and thankfully they were kind enough not to make the holes too big where your zip ties fall through. Thank you, Matt. I really appreciate that. Just jam these through. 1, 2, 3, just like that. So once you got those zip ties on, we can just slide it in place. Get those zip ties around your wire loom. Yeah, make sure you get them started because it's super duper annoying when they keep pulling out like this one does. So I'm trying to work one end to the other end. So after you got the zip ties holding down your wire loom on the inside, snug but not too tight so you can move it, grab your supplied hardware and then drop your bolt through the top. Line it up with that previous trim clip hole, just like that. And then we're gonna feed that nut from the underside. Snug, so it's not gonna fall off, but don't crank it down yet because you're gonna have to do some fine tuning. An 11mm nut on the bottom and a 10mm on top. I have found that you can kind of just hold it in place to the bottom. You should probably use a wrench if you're having trouble with it slipping. And then snug it up. Now, once your sick new loom cover's in place, and if you're on the back side, make sure it's not binding anywhere or it's not hitting anything. You definitely don't want it rubbing up against this piece of metal because if you split your loom in half, you're gonna have so many electrical problems. So make sure it's seated in this channel. So that is good and tight. So now we got our 3 tails. Let's cut those off. All right, there you go. Install's done. Now you don't have to worry about smashing your fingers every time you try to touch your turbo. So that's how you install the Blessed Performance wiring harness loom cover. It goes right above your turbo. Pretties up your engine bay. To be honest, it's cheaper than replacing it with a factory piece, and I think it looks way, way better. So if you're having problems, want to tidy up your engine bay, make it look nice, check out this cowl cover, your loom cover from Blessed Performance. You can get them at kcturbos.com. If you got any questions about any of these products, give us a call, reach out to us, send us an email. We're happy to help. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.